My name is Derek Thiring. I take care of Giantlok India. In year 2025, Giantlok India has achieved a huge milestone. We have achieved highest number of our cable ties turnover in India, including there was a month that we have hit a record sales, which has never happened since our Giantlok India began in India. So in otherwise, we also were successful in selling few special cable ties, which we call as metal detectable cable ties. These were target for medical lines and food and beverage industry. Coming to 2026, Giantlok has a very high hope and forecast and planning to achieve. Of course, our standard cable ties sale in India keeps on increasing, including we have few special cable ties project which will be beginning, which also is including the metal detectable, which happened in 2025, but in 2026 we will be increasing a little bit more demand from our customers' forecast. We can predict that. Otherwise, we are also focusing on few new developments that we have in cable ties, which are cold resistant ties and PP cable ties, mainly used for chemical industries. 2026 we would be beginning with another new big approach, that is Giantlok India already invested in doing our own manufacturing in Bangalore, and the production won't be focused on cable ties. It will be for our nylon flexible conduits and PVC wire ducts. And lastly, I wish everybody, all our channel partners, customers, very happy new year of successful 2026 for everybody.